All right, well, we are talking about a sort of a gloomy start to the day today. I loved when you said, hey, Gotham City.
Right. The question now is, okay, so we've got Lions tomorrow night, Tigers today. How are we looking?
There's a spotty chance, but I think for the Tigers today, we should be dry. It's just going to be cloudy, a little breezy, but at least not cold.
Yeah.
So
no, it's
actually, that might be nice that you're not just like, cooking in the sun.
Sure,
so it could be a decent game.
It's fall ball.
It is fall ball. October ready around here. And then at Monday, actually shaping up to be a drier day for folks that'll be tailgating for Monday Night Football. So let's go ahead and start with, a very Gotham-esque look to Detroit right now with some low-lying clouds. And it is a soupy start to your Sunday as we have a lot of moisture still being pumped in from Helene. We're not getting a ton of rain as far as accumulating rain, which we could use with the deficit that we've had so far this month. Obviously not the amounts that the folks down to the south have seen, but we could use a little bit of that rain. So this isn't going to really result in much accumulation. It's just a really kind of gross start to the day, but it's a mild start out there. 68 degrees in the city, 66 in Ann Arbor, 65 in Pontiac, and 66 in Monroe, with a northeasterly breeze closer to about 10 miles per hour, and that'll gust around 20 miles per hour heading into the afternoon. Visibility at the surface around 2 miles, so you will see a haze out there from that fine mist down in Monroe, Metro Airport, Ann Arbor, Pontiac, but this isn't incredibly dense fog. You notice it more with our cameras that you see the low-lying clouds clipping the downtown skyline as opposed to at the surface. So as we zoom into Exact Track 4D here, we've had a couple little light showers creep south of I-69, and so from Richmond just south of Port Huron, you might have a little bit of light rain, some of that moisture being picked up by our radar site in Oakland County. That's just probably going to be more of the low-lying clouds than anything. But clouds are hanging tight today. So here's a look at the hour by hour where we do pick up a little speckly stray shower around the lunch hour across the metro area. But otherwise, just an overcast, gloomy day. And we'll have temperatures in the 70s. Even without all that sun, we will be rebounding a couple degrees above average. And then we'll thin out some of that cloud cover a little bit tonight. So your hourly forecast this morning, upper 60s at least through 11 a.m. with that fine mist. But as we look ahead to what we have for the rest of the afternoon, first pitch over at Comerica Park is 3:10 today as the Tigers take on the White Sox. We'll be in the 70s for that with cloudy skies, and I think that will be relatively dry. But those winds pick up about noon through 4 or 5 o'clock and still a little breezy into the evening, but they are tapering off a little bit, gusts around 20 miles per hour. Tonight, 64 under mostly cloudy skies. Looking ahead to tomorrow, clouds should win out, but we'll be drier, 75 for that afternoon high. Then we track a cold front, and that's going to bring our next chance for rain. So I'll show you what we're talking about here. Tuesday morning looking pretty dry. Cold front starts to sweep through the region late morning, midday. Showers build in behind this, so around 3, 4 o'clock we could get brushed with some rain on Tuesday, and then we will peel back that cloud cover by Tuesday evening. Temperatures start to slide. We'll have suburbs falling into the 40s Tuesday night into Wednesday. In fact, we fall about 10 degrees going into Wednesday with a high of 67, but it's brief. We get back in the 70s as we round out the rest of the work week and welcome back some sunshine. But those overnight lows will be cooling, so the mild nights won't be lasting that much longer.